Alright, so Season 9 of the Treasure Track, aka Moonlight Dance, is officially here in Prodigy. This is awesome, and I cannot wait to check out what is in this Treasure Track season. So we are going to do that in just a second. I'm just checking the Wizard Watch post out right here just to see, but this is insane. There is no Wizard Watch post for it yet, but Season 9 of the Treasure Track, Moonlight Dance, is here, and we are going to click on it and see what these rewards are. So first, we'll look at the quests as we usually do, and wait a second. The bonus quests are already out, and there's more of them. There's more, oh gosh. There's more quests, and I get 15,200 points for becoming a member already? Yes. So, let's see, the daily quests. Complete all daily quests, that's new. 3 battles, 250 pet stars, 5 minutes. Yeah, the point numbers are different too, but complete all daily quests is a new one. Weekly, complete all weekly quests. Fight 3 Titan battles. Buy 3 items in any shop. That's not really easy when you've already bought pretty much everything you can. Merge 1 pet? Oh, wow. Complete daily quests 5 times of the week. This is insane. 3 days after school. 25 battles, 5 rift battles, 3 wizard dashes, 5 dual stadium battles. I love how they're implementing the actual game modes into these quests like they did with the Springfest quests. These are awesome. Yes, good job on that, Prodigy, that's for sure. Complete all season quests on the season side, 100, 100. Okay, so that's a lot more than they were. They're only 500 points. Level up 10 pets in the pet book. Is that just leveling them up? I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, that's kind of strange. Evolve 10 pets. I don't have the magic coins to evolve 10 of my pets. I guess we'll just have to see. Buy 20 items from any shop. Play 20 days after school. Complete all weekly quests 6 times. Win 20 dual stadium battles. Win 50 rift battles. And earn 100,000 pet stars. Wow. I mean, these are a lot. These are a lot more expansive than the usual quests are, and I love that. It makes you play a lot more for a lot for some better prizes and all that. And then the bonus quests, usually they don't unlock until later on in the season, but they're here now, and we get 15,200 points for becoming a member already. So I'm going to be collecting that maybe in this video. And then correctly answer 500 questions. Evolve 5 rare pets. So is that pets with the rarity? Or is it a different kind of rare thing? I'm not sure. That's kind of confusing, but cool. Play 5 times on weekends. What counts as playing, I wonder? I guess we'll just see when we do that. Win 5 wizard dashes. Spend 100 magic coin. Interesting. Collect 100 magic coin? Wow, okay. Well, those are interesting quests. They won't be too hard if you have to use them to evolve pets and stuff, and you get the magic coins from the treasure track. So, interesting new quests. Win 300 battles. Cast 1,000 spells. Merge 10 pets. Buy 10 items from any shop. Rescue 15 pets. Play 1,000 minutes. Wow. Yeah, these are pretty crazy. Not what I expected for sure when opening up this treasure track. That's actually great, these new quests. And I'm sure they'll be really fun to play through these next 2 months, because this lasts 59 days, as they usually do. But we have more to check out. We have the treasures to actually check out. Let's look at the home screen first, actually. So it looks like there's Moonlight Dance, and the mythical epic Into Talk is in this season. So just like we expected, that's the new variant of Marahawk. And then Aquadile is getting re-released. And we also see the Crocodile Buddy, which recently got updated to be HD like yesterday. So that makes sense that it is in this season of the treasure track. Let's do how to play. It's time for another adventure, Moonlight Dance. Complete quests, gain treasure points, unlock treasures. Members unlock even more treasures. And then it shows the new astral pony pet, Starcolt. It's Starcolt. And then Into Talk, and then Sop, the water gargoyle, first evolution, which I'm so excited about. We will be seeing all of these in these rewards. So let's check out the rewards. I only have 1,765 magic coins. Really need some more. Okay, so Treasure 1. Treasure 1 has 50 gold. I believe that's a new pet relic. It's not a new type of firework, it's a new pet relic. And then the Crocodile Buddy is for ultimate members. That's the ultimate member reward on Treasure 1. So that's cool. Treasure 2, 10 Morph Marble Naughties. That's pretty common for Summerfest around. This is not around Summerfest yet, though. Then 500 gold, 30 member works. And then 3 water balloons, 50 magic coins, 300 gold. 4, 100 gold. The Catfish Buddy for members. I believe that just got updated to be HD too, or was it updated before? It might have been real recently updated to be HD, so members can get that. It's been unobtainable for a little while. And then 50 magic coins. And Treasure 5 has 10 Cosmic Works. So the new pet relic right here looks like Cosmic Works. So that's really cool. Then 500 gold, and then a new pet hat for ultimate members, the Crook Fang cap, with a heart bonus of 104. So I'm kind of surprised it's that early on. Usually that treasure is on Treasure 21, the ultimate member pet hat. But anyway, that means we get it sooner. Cool. Then we have 20 magic coins, 20 Morph Marble Naughties, 300 gold, 200 gold, 50 magic coins, 10 Morph Marble Jellishes. That's a new type of Morph Marble. And these 20 are only on, these 10 are only on the Ultimate Member track, plus Member track. Still really cool, and I'm sure there'll be more later on in the season. But that's a new type of Morph Marble. Then we got the Star Necklace Pet Relic, 56 power bonus, so that's new. Of course, all the pet hats and pet relics are new, as always. Then 500 gold and 50 magic coins. And then on Treasure 9, we have Funkeel as a pet that everyone can get. So that's cool. And then we have the Titus Shark Pool. That was one of the rewards in the Titus Epic Subspace. It's been unobtainable since the Epic Subspace was removed back in 2023. So that's great that that's been re-released here. Can't wait to get that. I've never had it before. And then we have 300 gold, then 200 gold, and 20 Morph Marble Crocodiles, another new type of Morph Marble. So we get both the Morph Marble, the new Morph Marble, and the Buddy in this season of the Treasure Track. So awesome. So members can get 20 of those, and then 30 member works, then 20 magic coins, 500 gold, and then another Funkeel? Something tells me that's a mistake. Because why would there be two Funkeels? One for everyone and then one for plus members? Something tells me that this Funkeel here is a mistake. And it's supposed to be another pet or something? I don't know. But I guess we'll have to see if it changes anytime soon. But then we have 10 Morph Marble Crocodiles for non-members. Then 50 magic coins and 300 gold. Then we have 200 gold, the 20 water balloons for members, and then 60 magic coins, and then another new pet relic called the Coconut Floater with a power bonus of 59, so not bad. Then 500 gold, 20 Cosmic Works, and then 10 Morph Marble Jellishes, and then a new pet hat for members called the Fishing Hat with a heart bonus of 71, so really cool there. Then 300 gold, 200 gold, 60 magic coins, 10 Morph Marble Naughties. 3 water balloons, 500 gold, 60 magic coins, 10 cosmic quirks, another, okay, so this has got to be a mistake. There's supposed to be other pets in here, but right now they're all showing up as Funkiel, and I have no idea why, but they're going to get changed. There's no way that's being kept that way. Then there's 300 gold, 200 gold, a new pet hat called the Midnight Hibiscus with a heart bonus of 75, so awesome. Then 10 more marble crocodiles, 30 magic coins, 500 gold, 30 member works. Here we have the sandcastle furniture item, so that is awesome to see that make a return. That was in the Season 2 Ultimate Member Box, the second one, and it has not been obtainable since then. So that's awesome to see it back here, and that's for non-members. We have 60 magic coin, then 300 gold, then 200 gold, Aquadile as the mythical epic. We have Aquadile here, so that's awesome. And members can get Aquadile, not just plus members, so that's cool. And then 70 magic coins, and then Funkiel here for as another mistake. And then 500 gold, and then the new Star Colt, which is the new Astral Pony, which looks absolutely insane. I love this pet. This looks awesome. So only plus members can get it right now, unfortunately. That means, though, that at some point, hopefully, it will be obtainable for more players sometime in the future. But that means the whole evolution chain, which is Star Colt, Miststar, and Celestorn, are only obtainable for plus members. And then we have 30 magic coins, 20 Morph Marble Jellishes, and then 300 gold. And then we have 200 gold, 70 magic coins. So it looks like we're getting some more magic coins. I think the numbers are increasing, which is awesome. And then plus members get the mythical plant dorm item furniture. So that was in a member box, and then it's obtainable by battling Gerald on new accounts. So that's awesome. Mythical plant is back obtainable for plus members, ultimate members. And then the dogfish buddy is back. So right now only members can equip it, but non-members can get it. Hopefully it changes. But the dogfish was in like the February 2024 member box, so one of the last ones they put out. But that's awesome to see it make a comeback, along with the catfish. Makes sense that they're both in the same one. Then 500 gold, 70 magic coins, 3 water balloons, the new pet hat called the Straw Hat with a heart bonus of 87. And then 300 gold, 200 gold, 20 water balloons, another mistaken Funkiel. I have no idea why there are so many Funkiels. That's crazy. Then 10 Morph Marble Crocodiles, 500 gold, 30 water balloons, a new pet relic called the Salty Lifesaver. Looks a lot like the Lifesaver Ring quest item that was used in Hydroid's Mythical Epic quests. That's unobtainable, obviously, since those quests were removed fully. But as a power bonus of 71, so that is great. And then everyone can get that, obviously. Then 90 magic coins. It looks like the numbers are increasing, so that's great. And then 300 gold, 200 gold, 25 more cosmic works, 10 Morph Marble Crocodiles, 3 water balloons, 500 gold, 90 magic coins. I love how the numbers are increasing on these magic coins. And then 50 magic coins, and then there is Sop. Finally, the water gargoyles are here. And Sop can be obtained by members, and that means that the other ones, Fludel and Dampor, can also only be obtained by members. But that is still so cool that those water gargoyles are finally here. I'll talk about them in a later video, but this is just insane. You guys, some of you know how excited I've been for these water gargoyles to be released, and they're finally here. So thank you so much, Prodigy, for finally doing this. Then we have 400 gold, 300 gold, 90 magic coins, 15 water balloons, 10 Morph Marble Jellishes, 500 gold, 20 cosmic works, another Funkiel, a new pet hat called the Moon Bonnet with a heart bonus of 91. So really cool pet relic or pet hat right there. Then 400 gold. Then 300 gold, 100 member works, 90 magic coins. The new deluxe S'more pet relic with a power bonus of 83. Then 500 gold, 30 water balloons, 10 Morph Marble Naughties, 90 magic coins, 400 gold, 300 gold, another Funk Heal, then Into Talk for Ultimate members only. That's the new Mythical Epic. Just like expected, there's one Mythical Epic for members and then one for Plus members. So Into Talk, the new one happens to be for Plus members only. So right now, only Plus members can get it. It'll become obtainable though at some other point in time later on, hopefully for more players in a login rewards season. I don't know, but for now, it's only attainable for Plus members. So that's on Treasure 40. And then Treasure 41, 10 Cosmic Works, 500 gold, 90 magic coins, then 60 magic coins. The new mount called the Sand Fort that has a defense bonus of 205. So that's awesome, except defense is not that important in the game. But if you really want it, then that's awesome. Like Sand Fort, that's a very cool new mount. Members can get that. It's legendary. It's awesome. Then 400 gold, 300 gold, 90 magic coins. Benil for Ultimate members. So the upgrade of Funk Heal. I have no... Why in the world is Funk Heal and... Why? I still think it's a mistake, but we'll just have to see. Hopefully it gets changed. But Benil's here. And then 5 water balloons, 500 gold, 90 magic coins. And then a last mount, which is the Crescent Blue Moon mount. So that's a new non-member mount with a heart bonus of 50. And that's really cool. Looks really cool as a new mount. That's awesome. That just surprised me that there's only 45 treasures instead of 60. But alright. Then there's 100 member works and 400 gold to finish it off. So that's really awesome. I'm just surprised about the no 60 treasures, but I guess it makes sense why some of them were put farther back then. But that's all 45 treasures on this season of the treasure track, and this is absolutely insane. The quests here are absolutely insane, and the rewards are absolutely insane. I just don't know why there are so many Funk Heals. Hopefully that gets fixed real soon. But I'm going to end this video by collecting my my quests. A daily quest, 150 for playing for 10 minutes. It's a little laggy here. But then I can get 15,200 for being a member. Let's go ahead and collect that. How far are we going to get with that? I'm going to get past treasure 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We're on treasure 14 now with that, and that's 2,060 treasure points. So that got us a lot, 15,200. So yeah, we're that far already. So awesome, without really having to do anything. So yeah, that is insane. That is Treasure Track Season 9. Really loving this and cannot wait to get these items more. Love the new Lamplight Town floor as well. And also love how there's the Froggy set, part of the Froggy set at least, in the pet center. The Frog Wizard Hood was actually removed from the Academy shop, so it would be in here at some point when the rest is released. But Frog Wizard set, part of it is finally obtainable. It's just really expensive in magic coins. There's also the new Frog Wizard relic to go along with that. So a new relic has been added to go along with the Frog Wizard set. There are so many of those that are going to be coming out in the near future. So keep on the lookout for more of these things in there. So anyway, what are your thoughts about the new Season 9 of Treasure Track and all the insane items in it? Let me know all of your thoughts in the comments